Hey guys, sorry for the flash actually, but all I wanted to tell you is actually about my screen. Take a look at my screen. My computer screen has all this little it's not scratches but fingerprint. Like you see, I cause a lot of fingerprints around it. You get it? Yeah. Whatever's the case, that happens for every screen you can find, like for example iPhone, iPad, I don't know, so much for a MacBook Pro. But anyways, as the title goes, I am gonna clean the screen up with a bit microfiber cloth, so get it white and clean. So yep, just watch me do that. Okay, almost there. Okay, I'm almost there though. Okay, the screen is almost clean. Okay, and the microfiber cloth is still clean. Nothing wrong with the microfiber cloth, I guess. So, when I say the screen is very difficult to clean, I mean, whatever's the case, I got the entire screen clean up. It's pretty much alright now. Hopefully, no more. Fantastic. Now you got a clean ass screen and I'm ready to work. Yeah, thanks for watching. Stay awesome.